in case you've never seen my face, hello, it is nice to meet you. Today I'm sharing with you guys foam rolling 101, so just the basics, everything you need to know about foam rolling so that you can do it yourself. I'm a dancer, I've been foam rolling for a very long time. I really do believe that it helps a lot, so I want to share it with you guys. I'm going to be sharing why it helps, how to do it, and then a few of my favorite foam rolling movements. The first thing we're going to talk about is why to do it. What are the benefits? Why take your time? Why do the pain of foam rolling? So I picked 5 of the top benefits that I think are the biggest, most important ones. First thing, increased blood flow. So increased blood flow is going to help reduce soreness, speed up muscle recovery, and just overall help your muscles bounce back and get healthier just because you're getting more blood to them. 2, increases muscle mobility by loosening the muscles. Because you are foam rolling, you are going deep into the muscle, you're relaxing it, and you're allowing it to lengthen and loosen, which is going to increase the mobility of your muscles, which is going to allow joint mobility and such. 3, decreased injury risk. The main reason for decreased injury risk is because you are lengthening and caring for your muscles. You're getting that increased blood flow, you're lengthening them, and you're allowing them to get tight when you work out and then release when you foam roll. When you just keep working out and tightening your muscle and you never allow them to relax, that is when you get into the situation where you do one little weird movement and then you completely hurt yourself just because your muscles are so tight. Think of your muscles as a rubber band. If you have a rubber band and it's pulled to its absolute max, it's going to be a lot easier to break, and over time it's going to wear out just because of that constant pulling and most likely break or rip, something such as that. 4, decreased recovery time. Because you are increasing your blood flow and you're increasing your mobility, your muscles are going to be able to bounce back a lot quicker. And let's be real, no one likes to be sore for a super long time, so decreased recovery time is always a good thing. 5th thing, kind of a combination of everything, faster and better results due to increased muscle health. If you're working out all the time and not caring for your muscles, you're eventually going to get injured and then you're going to have to take time off, and it's just not a good situation. So if you're constantly caring for your muscles, you're going to be able to just get better, and never have to deal with injuries, or at least hopefully. All these 5 things are great. Proves the point that you should take the time to foam roll before and after exercising. Now let's get into how to actually foam roll, because let's be real, that's the important part. It's the part you guys probably want to know. There's actually no wrong way of foam rolling. There's no right way and there's no wrong way. You just pretty much take the roller and you just roll out wherever your body's sore, wherever it feels right. It's most likely is going to be painful, especially if you're super sore, but the results are always worth it. Do remember, of course, there's good pain and then there's bad pain, like you could be on a nerve or something, but that's going to be very rare. So just listen to your body, roll out wherever feels right, wherever you feel sore, wherever you feel tender, and the goal is to just relax into the foam roller as much as possible. So if this is your muscle and it's all tight and such, we want to roll it out until it just kind of falls onto the foam roller, and then you really get the release of the muscle. So yeah, there's no wrong way to foam roll, there's no right way to foam roll, you just do what feels right on your body, and of course be careful, but overall it's just kind of listen to your body, feel what works for you, and then you're good from there. Now for the 3rd thing, I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite foam rolling movements. So these are my go-to. These are the ones that I typically do before and after exercising. I do it before to warm up my muscles, release them a bit, and then I do it after to release the muscles after they were tightened from exercising. For the first thing, we're going to roll out the IT band, as you can see there. Now this I truly do think is the most painful one, however I also think that it is the most beneficial one. The IT band is very hard to stretch, so this way rolling out is kind of the only way that you can target it. So as you can see, you simply just go to the side of your leg and you roll up from your hip down to your knee. It hurts so bad, it really does. Try to really relax into it, make sure to do both sides. And yeah, you can go on your elbows, your hands, whatever works. Now for the second one, we're going to do our quads. So this one looks kind of funny. So simple, you literally just lay on your stomach and roll up and down. You can twist your hips, do whatever, cross your legs, whatever works, just roll around. And I also promise you will feel this one as well. Now for the 3rd one, we're going to do the calves. So you're going to put one leg straight, cross the other leg over so that you have extra weight. And again, you're just going to roll around, feel where it hurts. Maybe it's on the outside, the inside of your calf, just whatever. This is especially good for people that run a lot and such. So make sure to release the calf, which allows the Achilles to be released and such. So yep, as you can see here, do that. Now we're going to get the glute. So you're going to rock onto one side of your hip, cross one leg over, and you're going to get into your hip. So this is going to be into your glute. So it's going to be that big muscle on the top of your butt. And yeah, just kind of do whatever makes it work. And yeah, this one really focus on relaxing into it and just keep rolling it until you get that perfect spot that hurts really bad. And yeah, guys, so that is foam rolling 101. Everything you need to know: why to do it, how to do it, and then a few movements to try for yourself. So yeah, foam rolling is a great thing to do before and after working out when you're super sore or such. Before you're working out, you're going to roll out your muscles, you're going to release them, you're going to get the blood flowing, you're going to warm up your body. Then you're going to work out, tighten the muscles back up, and then after, you're going to re-release them and just help them reduce recovery time and such. So it's just overall a great thing to do. I would say try to foam roll every single day. Even if you're not an athlete, it's a great thing to do just to care for the muscles in your body. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I hope that you got inspired to foam roll or try it for yourself. And yeah, guys, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, do all that fun stuff. Comment down below any video ideas you guys have for me. I love you guys, and I will see you soon.